The Application Management Working Group takes care about the different app stores of the members of the OI4. And the target of this work group is that we want to make it as easy as possible for the different app vendors out there to provide their apps to those stores. And on the other side, to make it as easy as possible for the end users to consume for those stores. And that's exactly the target of the Application Management Working Group. At the Application Management Working Group, we are working on 3 different categories. The first one is the concept one, where we are defining a kind of manifest file for the app vendors to make it as easy as possible to distribute their software to the different stores. The second one is that we are working on so-called sandbox stores. That means everyone who is running a store is free to offer a sandbox store to the OI4 community, meaning all OI4 members, to test out their apps, their devices, their services in a secured environment. And the third category is the public relation category, where we are currently writing a white paper for app vendors so that they can have a very, very short and compact overview of what they can expect from this working group. Our call to action is, if you are an app vendor or a device manufacturer, then feel free to join our working group and try out your app or your device in a secured environment.